Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Align token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Align is a full stack Ethereum infrastructure project aiming to simplify building financial product by offering unified one-click solution for wallets, rollups and zero knowledge services. Core mission to make Ethereum the globally financial backend by reducing integration complexity for institutions and fintechs. Unified Stack provides live and upcoming services like proof aggregation and wallet as a service under one integration point. Utility token Align is used to pay for services without the ecosystem and is not a claim on equality, revenue, or dividends. Line token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 1.63 billion Alliance token. Alliance token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, KuCoin, MEXC, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.